Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm finally going to be doing my long-awaited Black Friday haul. I'm saying long-awaited because it's not really that long-awaited, but I do know that quite a lot of you guys did want to see it. I know Black Friday was almost a month ago, but living in New Zealand, sometimes stuff takes a hell of a long time to get here. So Black Friday in particular, it took the Gymshark stuff a very long time to get here. Everything else was here pretty quickly, but I wanted to include the Gymshark stuff in the haul because I really like Gymshark, I really like their stuff, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. I thought that we would go through everything that I got today. I filmed the try-ons yesterday, so hopefully they came out okay. Took me like 35 minutes to film all of my try-ons. So I do want to start with the one product that is not here yet, and that is some stuff from GraceFit UK. Now GraceFit is a booty YouTuber, well, like not a booty, but like a fitness YouTuber with like a really great bum, and she sells these booty bands, and I already have one of them. The one that I have is the peach one, and it's a very strong resistance band, and they're really good very good quality. So I have like the heavy one, and when she said that she was doing a Black Friday sale, it wasn't like a huge discount, but she did bring out some new bands. I thought I may as well sort of like expand my collection so that I have different strengths for different exercises. So I did get the emoji band, which is extra heavy, and I also got the pink band, which is a medium strength. From her I also picked up a jumper, which low-key don't know why I bought a jumper, but I've always wanted one of her jumpers because they're really cute crops and they say feed me embroidered on them, so I picked one of those up. I don't even know if that's shipped yet. Shipping from England always takes ages, especially when it's economy, like it's not first class or super speedy mail, so I haven't got those yet, but they shouldn't be too far away. Alright, let's move on to some of the clothes. So we're going to start with Cotton On, and I have a huge bag of Cotton On. I bought a lot of multiples of different things that I really liked, and I'm pretty sure everything that I bought was either $10 or $15. Obviously the sale's not on anymore, so you can't make the most of that, but just know that I got everything for 10 or 15 bucks. The first thing that I got from Cotton On was this little ribbed top, and it is pretty flowy, although it did look tighter on the website. I got mine in a size small. This is called the Wit High Crew Sleeveless Tank, and it's basically like more of an everyday muscle tee, and I got this in a bunch of colors. This one was definitely $10. I got it in black, yellow. I bought this because I really love the Gymshark like citrus yellow. This is a little bit more orangey, but I just love this color. It's so bright and it just like does so much for your complexion. I bought those with the intention of like tucking them into high-waisted shorts or wearing them tucked into jeans, just something like really simple and airy, and I really love their basics at Cotton On. Like they have really good colors. It's not the most amazing material, but it will last like a solid 10 plus washes. The next two tops again are the same. I got this little dude here. It'll be easier for you guys to see in the try on, but it's like a longer crop, and this is called the Beth Close to the Body Rib Top, and I got it in Lavender Fog, which is the really pretty purple, and I also got it in this shade here. Let me just put it right side in. It's kind of like a grayed white, like it's not white, it's not grey, it's called light grey, but it's more of like if you had white and you drop like the tiniest little bit of black, that's what this is. I really like the style of this, but I do not like that they're both extremely see-through. So are some of the other tops, so I need to get like a white t-shirt bra. Well, not a t-shirt bra because I don't like underfire, but like a white seamless bra. Like right now I'm just wearing like a seamless bikini, not a bikini top, what is it called? A seamless sports bra, and it just is so much nicer wearing a sports bra than a bra, so I need to find a white one. But yeah, this again was $10, and I bought this just to pair with high-waisted stuff so that it would just tuck in nicely or sit right on my waist. This next thing kind of makes me laugh because I bought this and the photo was of a black item, but like the name was of the orange item, and I was like, I'm sure it'll show up black because the photo is black. But no, they had the photos backwards, so I actually got the bright orange one, but I really like this color anyways. This is a little bodysuit. It has a little pops at the crotch so that you can take it off and go to the toilet. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. This is again kind of see-through, not so much so as the other things, but you couldn't really wear a black bra with it. When I say see-through, I don't mean that you can like see your skin, I mean that your bra shows through. And this is a size small. This is actually from Factory, but this is called the Rib Scoop Neck Bodysuit, and it is pretty scoopy, which I think is really flattering. You guys will see in the try on. I just really like this. This top is so cute. It's something that I don't really have in my collection. This is the sort of stuff that I've always wanted to wear, but I felt like I couldn't wear because I was not happy in my own skin, whereas now I really am. So this is just like a little floaty cropped blouse, and this is called the Melanie top in Renee Spot. Snow White. It feels really thin. The material is not amazingly high quality, but I do like the way that it feels. Again, I would just wear this with like a nude bandeau so that you couldn't see anything because it is pretty see-through, but it's just really cute and flowy and it's going to be nice for summer. I could wear this with some shorts or I could just wear it as a cover up when I go to the beach, which I never do, but just as a top, it's pretty cute, so I like it. Now these shorts are so crinkled and I don't know the name of them, but I wouldn't recommend them because like look at how crinkled they are. Can you see this? They have been sitting in my car because I wore them once and I had to take them off because I was going swimming, but they should not be this crinkled. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're little floaty shorts. They just really don't hold their shape. I think these were like 10 bucks. These are just their generic shorts, but yeah, they just look weird. Now this dress I'm pretty sure I forgot to film a try on for, but it did not look how I intended it to look. But it's called the Kimmy Scooped Bodycon midi dress. And the colour is Chloe Spot Tuscany, and it's like a midi length bodycon dress with like a little split at the back so that you can actually walk. Yeah, it's actually a really nice material. Like it's quite a nice bodycon material. The colour is just kind of weird. It's not super flattering on me. If you can hear a fly in here, I'm so sorry. I've been trying to kill this fly all morning and I can't actually kill it. But anyway, the next two things I have are a bikini, which I'm obviously not trying on for you guys, I'm sorry, but they're just like a plain black bikini with Brazilian bottoms, which just means that you have a little bit more cheekage hanging out. And I think they're a little bit more comfortable than full cover bottoms, because if you're wearing full cover, like, you have to keep unpicking it, whereas this is kind of like supposed to be in your bum, so it's like a little bit less painful. I got these in a small, and then this is a top that I got to go with it. I don't know if it matches, but it doesn't have like a tie back. It's got not a bra back, but like a claspy back. So it's just a super simple bikini top. Fits my breasticles in nicely. It's not too revealing, but it's also kind of revealing, but I like it. It's just something that I wear at the beach, obviously, or with my family. Like, I'm not going to be parading around the world in this, but I just needed a new bikini that fit me, so this one does the job. Next, we've got some activewear from a brand called ECHT, and I believe ECHT, ECHT, I think you say ECHT, it's called ECHT. I believe it's Australian. It's an Australian brand, and I found out about this, bear with me, it's kind of weird how I found out about this. There was this girl at the gym that I see there quite a lot. Oh, this just sounds really creepy, but she looks really good at the gym and she wears ECHT. And one day she was just at the gym near me. It was on the day before Black Friday. I think it was on the day that would be considered Thanksgiving, I think. And I was like, man, I really like their activewear. I'm gonna go look at their website. And they ended up having their Black Friday sale. And I picked up all of this stuff for I think like $50 New Zealand, which is really, really cheap. But I believe this is the Arise Crop. I don't know what version it is, but I'll let you know. So I got this one in a size small, and I would say I could size down with the bra, but the bra fits better than the bottom. So I do really like this. I haven't worn it all that much because you guys will see with the bottoms they're not the perfect fit, but I do really like this, and it's a very, very nice soft fabric. Also from ECHT, I picked up some leggings. Now these I believe are the Arise 2.0 leggings. Now I got these in a size small because small was said to be Australian 8 and extra small was a 6, and I dance a really strange line in between 8 and 6, and I've never been a size 6, like ever in my adult life, or even in my teenage life. I've never been a 6. So to have to buy size 6 stuff is kind of weird, and I know that you guys are like, wow, what a first world problem, but it's just like I genuinely don't fit the measurements. But then when I buy stuff like this in an 8, it doesn't fit. So in some Gymshark and some gym wear, I'm an extra small, and I definitely think I'm an extra small in ECHT. The waistband is quite large on me. The crotch has a lot of extra fabric. If I could be bothered, I would have returned these, but I wasn't bothered. So yeah, I do really like the fabric. I think they feel really nice. They look, they look really nice. I like the subtle detailing on the back, but other than that, they're very simple. I just didn't own anything in this color grey, so I thought I'd pick it up. But yeah, I'd say potentially size down, or at least really study the size guide and really think about what kind of size you are, because yeah, they're just way too big on me. And the last thing that I got from ECHT also goes with the grey theme, which was not intentional, but I just don't really own any grey jumpers, so that's why I picked this guy up. This is just a little cropped jumper. I can't really show you it all that well like here, and I know you guys are probably like, it's summertime, Olivia, why did you buy this? I bought this because some mornings when I go to the gym, Not so much anymore, but when I bought this, it's still cold, so I like to go to the gym in a jumper so then I can take it off, and I think that crops are really flattering and it means that I can actually wear them a little bit more during my workout until I'm warm. Whereas I feel like when I wear a long regular length hoodie, I feel like I get hot immediately. So yeah, this is really nice. A super thin material but still nice and warm. It's got pockets. I think you guys can see the zips. Wait, is there just one? Oh, there's only one pocket. I didn't even realize. But anyway, it's cropped. It's a little bit longer at the back than it is at the front, and it's got a hood. It's very simple. It was very cheap, so that's why I picked it up. Before we go on to Gymshark, I thought I'd break it up and show you guys the supplements that I bought. So I decided to go and buy some supplements from Tropika. Tropika is an Australian company that sells like really natural vegan supplements. I'm not vegan or vegetarian, but I do like vegan proteins. Don't ask me why, I've just kind of got a thing for them. So I bought a whole bunch of stuff from Tropika. I believe everything was 30% off, I think. So if you just go to their website, subtract 30%, that's how much I paid. So I picked up 2 different proteins. Now these are the 1 kilo proteins, and I got chocolate and I got salted caramel, and I went with the lean protein. Now I don't really know the difference between the two, but I follow Sarah's Day and she always talks about the lean protein that they make, so I picked it up. It's got 3.2 grams of dietary fiber and 16 grams of protein per serve, but I generally have 1.5 servings just so that it's a little bit more protein dense. Sorry if my hair is crazy, you guys. It's actually so hot in here. I'm actually feeling really faint, so if I look frazzled, that's why. And the other thing that I picked up from them was their alkaline greens, which is supposed to be like a daily greens powder. It's not really much else to say. It's got a whole bunch of good green goodies, that do make sense. Good green stuff that's really good for you and healthy, so I thought I would pick this up to try. And because I spent over $100, I got one of their metal straws for free, which is cool. I wasn't going to say no to a free straw, so yay. And last but not least, I got some stuff from the Gymshark blackout sale. I didn't make it for like the main part of the blackout sale. I got some stuff like nearly a week later, but I'm still happy with everything that I picked up. Now the first thing that I got, I don't have to show for you right now because I've packed it up and I'm trying to sell it online, and it is the Solace bottoms in the shade black. I did try them on for you, so I'll chuck them on the screen now, but they're basically just track pants, but I really should have gotten an extra small. They're just like a little bit too big for my liking, but they do feel amazing, and yeah, I really like them. I just wish I had got a size down. The next thing that I got is this really cute cropped muscle tee. This was a Black Friday exclusive. It's just called, I think it's a Gymshark lifting club tank, but it says I lift, therefore I am on the front, and then Gymshark lifting club on the back. I have another top from them that's in the same style, and I really like the way that it fits, so I thought I'd pick this up, and it was only like $20 or so, I think. I bought 2 of the same style of bra. These are called the Ease bra. My ice blue one is in the shade, it's in the size extra small, and then the pink coral one, I think that's the name of the shade, is a size small. This one was 40% off and the other one was 20% off. I had to get the blue one in an extra small because they were out of stock in the size small. The small is definitely a better fit for me, but the extra small still works. If I bought them again, I'd definitely just get a small though. And the final thing in this haul is a repurchase of something I have just in a different shade. And this is the Solace Sweater 2.0 in the shade Steel Blue. This is like the most beautiful, thin, soft, amazing jumper. If you're going to get anything from Gymshark, I would highly recommend checking this out. It's like cropped, but not too cropped. Really. It is honestly just so lovely and smooth. I wear this to the gym and casually. I have the black one and I just absolutely freaking love it. And that, you guys, is everything that I bought on Black Friday this year. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below what your favorite thing that you bought was. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!